They'll probably think that I have the same night dresses, but yeah, I actually do, and these are like my comfort clothes. I'd rather be in this than anything else. This is like my favorite t-shirt. Morning guys, it is day 14. I messed up the count in my last vlog so bad. I woke up really early today. Like today is Sunday and I had to wake up at 8 o'clock. I'm still very sleepy. The only time I don't like waking up early is on a Sunday. Sunday is the only real holiday. Like Saturday doesn't holiday like a holiday. You know what I mean? I realized that I didn't oil my hair after the wedding and I used so much heat. I was really feeling like my hair got very dry. I've oiled my hair right now. I'll shampoo it. Now we've got another wedding in Feb, which is my mom's first cousin's daughter's wedding. So they are coming home for lunch, and today is also my dadi's birthday. So in the evening we're gonna go to my dadi's house and celebrate with her. Happy birthday!
Thank you, beta.
So pretty lago cho.
Thank you.
My relatives just left and I got an amazing content idea to shoot with my dadi, and that's why I'm putting makeup and I was putting blush, and look at how clumsy I am. Happy birthday to you. Kai birthday che? What year?
72 complete.
Lagya 72. Nana? That's my nanny. That's my daddy.
Love you.
Love you. I feel like today's been such a fast but such a slow day. Like I don't even know how today got over so quick. So I am just making like a cute last minute birthday gift for my daddy. I went through like all our photos and all of that. I'm giving her this in this frame. I'm really exhausted. I just want to sleep. Don't even remember what I did yesterday. Oh yeah, I edited the vlog. I had excess screen time yesterday. I haven't gotten rest after that, which is why I'm so crying. This is adorable. It's good enough. Yeah, that's cute. Oh my god. Okay, no, this is adorable. By the way, this is from my trip for my first birthday. I think I was like 11 months. I know Dadi's gonna love this. This is... वो नानो चे बद्दा नहीं समझ. Birthday to you. हाँ, तुम्ही माझा घरी कभी येणार?
आता काय सांगत काय सांगतो.
खूप बिझी आहे ना तुम्ही. Day 14, I think. Look at my room. Can we just take a moment to like appreciate this view? Look at that view. Guys, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. My Casio is here. Oh my god, look at this. These are all the books that I had filled while learning the keyboard. It was my first book. I think most probably Love Story should be one of the songs. Did any of y'all ever watch Kya Mast Hai Life? Like that show. Kya mast hai, Kya mast hai life, Kya mast hai life. If y'all did, tell me in the comments, because then we could be best friends. Yeah, I really remember learning Love Story. Wanna learn? You're on your own, kid. I wait patiently. He's gonna notice me. It's okay, we're the best of friends. 3, 2, 1, go. It's so good. My dad's watching my vlog.
Wow, the fridge looks so good.
That only.
I don't think so.
I did that. Good morning. It's day 16. This vlog is so broken. I feel like I haven't been doing anything since the last 2 days. Time to make breakfast. You know what day it is when my room looks like this. That is my outfit. My room still looks like this. I am exhausted. I still have makeup on. I've been editing my videos that I shot today. I'm so tired. Also, I don't think anyone knows this side of me. Even I don't, honestly. I am that person who can be as mindless as wearing my dress ulta the entire day. I've been roaming around with this dress like this since morning. So cold right now. Like, it started becoming so cold in Bombay. I'm just very sleepy. I just want to clean my room and go to sleep. This is the best popcorn. It's done. The masala is the best part. It's day 17. This vlog is so broken. Like, I don't even know what this vlog is. Probably gonna be like very monotonous for you all to see. You know what? It's actually okay because not all weeks of your life can be fancy. I've been like very hard on myself thinking that oh my god, I'm vlogging this but it's not fun enough. This week has just been slow and that's okay. How often can you go, get your camera, find an angle, put your camera, switch it on, make sure you're in focus and then do everything? Like, you lose the moment. I feel like I'm transitioning into like a different type of content, the kind of content I've always like really aspired to do. The agenda for today is to unbox all of these, and also I need to start packing. I leave in like 2 days. I'm finally going to unbox all the parcels that you all saw in my last vlog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 16 and 17. I'm so grateful. Thank you God. Thank you universe. This is so perfect. Bro, what? I have manifested this jacket into my life. You know, this is why I love YouTube, because I don't think anyone would see this side of me on Instagram. You would probably see a side of me that's happy and grateful, but you all wouldn't see like the side of me that gets happy opening packages in a way wherein I behave like a child. And for a lot of people that might be like, oh my god, stop behaving like a child. But for me, I think that's one of my best qualities. I feel like anyone, like when they get older and if they still have childlike qualities, you know that they're a good person to have around you, because that's like the most green flag quality a human being can have, you know, like despite of everything around you, if you're still able to like be happy because of like the smaller things around you. Like, this is not a small thing, by the way, don't get me wrong, but you know, like if little things can make you happy and like get you so much joy, you're winning at life. Good morning guys, it is day 18. I woke up today and made a plan for the next month. There's just so much stuff that I want to do. I just need to figure out how to do it. Today I think I'm gonna start packing. I literally just wasted like an hour lying between these pile of clothes because I was lazy after lunch. So yesterday when I was unboxing all my Nykaa packages, I saw like a few things that I can really take there. This is a maxi dress. This color is very Udaipur. This obviously again is very Udaipur, like the print, the color, everything, the fabric more than anything. And this is a maxi dress which I can like style and all very cutely. That's Ayushi. I think everyone knows you only by now. This is my best friend's brand. The best designer in town. Everyone go order right now. Also, Ayushi was the person who told me to start YouTube. So,
aren't you guys glad she did? I mean,
I think I only did it because like she kept telling me. But she told me long time back and I never heard.
2 years
and then,
back.
Yeah, 2 years back. And then now I've started.
like, comment, share, and keep liking and commenting.
And subscribe, bro. You forgot
Oh,
the
sorry.
main-
Subscribe.
Cause there were pages turned when the bridge is burned. Everything you lose is a step you take. So make the friendship race. Let's take the moment and taste it. You've got no reason to be afraid. You're on your own, kid. Yeah, you can face this. Day 19. The vlogging camera has successfully come out. Tomorrow I leave for Udaipur. Still haven't packed. It's still day 19 and I'm editing right now. So I just realized that I was so sleepy. I probably didn't sound as excited as I am for this trip. But it's the first trip of 2024. I'm so excited. Like going with Kanchi, Ria and Muskan. This is our first trip of the 4 of us together. Like Kanchi, Ria and I went to Bali together. But like the 4 of us are going for the first time. This is a pre-trip ritual in my house. I also hate taking medicines. I can't take medicines. Like this is still okay, but you know the bigger tablets. Everything aside and my dal rice aside, I love dal rice. Editing Sakshi is ending the vlog because I've been editing for like 5.5 hours non-stop and now I need to head out and I also need to finish my packing and I want to upload this video before I start vlogging Udaipur. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Of course, you know the drill by now. Leave this emoji if you guys have made it to the end of the video. I know this one was a little bit broken, but next week's vlog is gonna be all travel and masti. So don't forget to subscribe and I'm gonna see you next Saturday. Bye!